Friday last week, the Eldon bowling alley
Yeah.
burned down. You see the video here, courtesy of Dave or Husky, and Lake Expo reports, but that was quite a sight.
Yeah, it was. And then, so the Lake Expo put out a story, and they had a quote from the owners of the Eldon Lanes. And they said, yes, bowling alley has burned down. We were closed. Nobody was in it. We are out of town, headed back now. We don't know what started it. We will post updates as we know them. And it looks like it's a total loss for the Eldon Lanes. Friends of Lake TV, they were, Lake TV is on, partners with us, had Lake TV on in the bowling alley all the time there. So it's, it's really sad when you get one of those community, just the foundational community businesses there that go down. Hopefully they'll be able to come back.
Yeah, and if you follow them on Facebook, you alluded to their first post from August 1st. They put another one that night. To the community, thank you for your support through the years. We appreciate it. Please respect our privacy while we navigate through these difficult circumstances. And then on Sunday, you see another post there, and they asked to share some of the favorite memories they've had. And they started with one from about 10 years ago. You see that. And then they finally posted yesterday, good morning. We finally got some sleep today. We're making a plan for Monday, which was yesterday. For all of the vendors and creditors we have to call, we are doing okay. It just still feels unreal. Our hearts are full with all the love and support everyone has given. Now we wait on the insurance adjuster, and then we have a big decision to make. Those posts directly from the Eldon Lanes Facebook page. So we'll be thinking about them. That's challenging. And as they said on that Facebook post, when that happens, you don't even think about all of the pieces you have to start picking up afterwards, literally and figuratively, when it comes to stuff like adjustments and insurance and what do you do next, right?
Yeah, absolutely. And it's so, from our standpoint, or from my standpoint, I've never been able to meet those people. I've just talked to them, over the phone or in emailing, and they're always just so nice, so wonderful, such community-oriented people, and they love Lake TV. My heart breaks for them, and I hope they're able to really build everything back strong, maybe even better than it was before.